Cyberspace Guide, your quick compass for safe, smart, and ethical online living. I'm Princess, and today we'll learn how to protect what matters most in the digital world: your data, your identity, and your online reputation. In TLE, we use technology in many ways, creating digital posters for entrepreneurship, submitting cookery performance tasks online, or attending TESDA virtual classes. But behind every click or upload, your personal data travels through cyberspace. That means your email, passwords, photos, and files can be at least if you're not careful. Cybersecurity isn't just for IT experts. It's a skill every TLE student needs to protect their work, business, ideas, and identity. Let's talk about a few online dangers that can affect your learning and livelihood. Phishing, fake messages or emails that pretend to be from your teacher or TESDA. They ask for your login or personal info. Hacking, when someone breaks into your accounts and uses your projects, photos, or personal data. Data leaks, uploading your work or certificates on public websites without privacy settings. Scams, online sellers or certificate providers who charge for fake TESDA credentials. In short, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Here are 3 simple ways to guard your digital self while studying and working online. First, secure your passwords. Create strong passwords using letters, numbers, and symbols. Don't use 12345. Change them regularly and never share them even with classmates. Second, verify links and messages. Before clicking on a link or downloading a file, check if it's from your teacher or a verified TESDA website. Third, back up your work. Save copies of your projects, business plans, or digital designs on Google Drive or a USB. That way, you won't lose them if your account gets hacked. Here's a real story. A TLE student once shared her Canva login with a classmate for a group project. Weeks later, her personal designs and certificates were deleted, and some were even re-uploaded under someone else's name. That experience taught her that protecting access is part of professionalism, not just caution. In the workplace or business world, cybersecurity is a core employability skill. Whether you're running a small online shop, editing digital content, or maintaining school computers, protecting customer data and digital files builds trust and credibility. So practice good security habits now. They help you later as a skilled, trusted TLE professional. Your digital safety is your responsibility. Treat your passwords, projects, and data like valuable tools. Protect them, respect them, and never leave them unsecured. That's it for today's episode of Cyberspace Guide. Join me next time as we talk about Think Before You Click, where we'll explore how ethics and responsibility shape your online TLE journey. Until then, stay safe, stay smart, and keep your digital self secure. This is your host, signing off.